Hi guys, how are you? Peep the nails, peep the nails, peep the nails. So this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are. Now this account will be my video diary. My first video, I'll call it the sounds of Jebaibai. Now the past 2 years have been the best times of my life. I've done so much, I've grown so much, and I'd like to share the memories with you. We laugh constantly, we partied a lot, and we did so much. We traveled, and those were amazing times. And in this account, we'll go through so much together. We'll have so much fun. Yeah. So, yeah. So yeah, welcome to my account, and I hope you guys enjoy every minute of it because I know I will. Yeah. My God. Anywho, I'm nervous. Can you tell I'm nervous? Can you tell? Papa, what am I doing, bro?